Let us start with what you can say two-way binding. So far we have seen property binding, we have seen event binding, we have seen intercomponent communication. Now it's a time to see two-way data binding, optional thing given to you by Angular 2, right? So what do you mean by two-way data binding? Now here consider that or many people call it as ng model binding, right? See, I would be having one input type here, input, and I can say type is equals to text, type is equals to text, and right, I want to listen for what you can say input event plus output events, right? What I want to listen for, input event plus output events, input events plus output events, right? Means something like this. So this is for getting the events, yes, and this is for assigning that events. And here I would be having something called as ng model and equals to what you can have, ng model is equals to my name. So this would be my input tag. This input tag would be having event binding plus property binding. Event binding plus property binding is called as two-way data binding. Now here I can have my name. In the interpolation I can type my name. So if you want to check that, here I can say localhost 4200, and you would be getting, this is the input box, two-way data binding. And if I type A, okay, I suppose this is a reverse, like this. First you are going to capture the event, then assign the event to this ng model. ng model is one variable, right? To that variable you are assigning everything, and you are getting whole that thing is going to get assigned to one variable called as my name. So here if you say A, see, Android, so whatever you are typing, result of this text box is assigned to this, what you can say, string interpolation. Whatever you typing over here, that is going to get assigned to my name variable. So all the inputs and output events are assigned to that ng model, and that ng model is referred by my name. Likewise, right, this thing. So this will help you in the terms of checking, right, that email is available or not. So you are typing ANIRUDDHA, right? At the same time you are going to check this name is available on the server or not. For the every character you would be hitting one AJAX call, you would be giving one AJAX call, and you are checking on the server, right? In that scenario this will help you. Email already available, or sorry, email is captured, or email is available. You can decide by means of this strategy called as two-way data binding, right? No, text box value. See, my name, whatever you are typing, that is going to get assigned to the my name. So here what you are actually doing, whatever you are typing, that is going to get assigned. So all the events are getting captured, right, and assigned to this ng model variable. Whatever events are generated, that are captured and assigned to the ng model variable, right? And whatever available inside ng model, that is assigned to the my name, like this. So you are saying my name is user variable, to that variable you can assign some data over here. That's what we are doing, right? So two-way data binding, property binding, and the event binding covers most of your data binding stuff. Now there are other things related to data binding. right? Now there are some other things to the data binding that we'll see. Okay, so here let me stop this recording.